I was sent this thermal infrared imager. This is for Android phones only. Won't work on an iPhone. And I was asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out and see what you're going to get in the box. You're going to get a user manual here with some QR codes to be able to get more information about how to use it. You're going to get the device itself. Comes in this hardback carry case with a nylon cover and zipper. Here's the device itself. And you're going to get a couple accessories here. Cleaning cloth for the lens. And another lens that you can fit over the existing one for you to get additional imagery. And then the device itself, again, has a QR code on it, so you can get quick information. And it tells you that the resolution is 256 by 192, and the frame rate at 25 hertz. So this has got your USB-C connector here. Here's the lens, and it's just going to be all metal construction. There's really no plastic on this. It's going to connect into the bottom of your phone and act as another camera here with thermal capabilities. And if you need, you can attach that other lens over here, and that'll give you another view about how the tool can get images for you of different styles. So that's like a macro lens that can be attached here for way up close heat analysis. So I hope that helps to learn a little bit more about this infrared thermal imager, and hope you have a great day.